Samantha.
Wow!
Wow! Oh my God!
Hey, Mac Jude.
Marikit.
Oh, para na siyang Miss Grand International. Yung vibes niya.
Grand International.
Ah, Novotel.
Ay, Novotel.
We are turning up the notch with a good not
Samantha Bernardo.
gave so much
Samantha
pride to our
Bernardo.
country early this year.
Wow.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Butterfly.
Miss Grand International 2020 first runner-up, Bini Samantha.
Wow!
Wow! Oh my God! Yeah.
Wow!
Butterfly.
Pasabog, Pilipinas.
Samantha Bernardo. Pilipinas. Pak mo ha.
Ganda, no?
Paabihan ni
Wala mo po yung ode kasi pa rin magpapataras.
And now, meet the 34 candidates who are vying to get
Pasarela siya.
Wow! Masobra naman.
Ha? Siya naman yung gumawa. Wala, ganyan.
Wow!
Perfect.
Nagkang ka.
Oh.
Wow! Ang
Wow.
galing. Ang galing ka, wow.
Ganyan ang mga pasarela, ang pag-international.
Dapat galing.
Wow. Camera.
Ganda ng camera. Pak. Ang galing. Wow.
Wow, yan.
Wow, ang galing.
Emote kong emote.
Ang galing. Pak. Butterfly.
Yung walang hindi tinitignan talaga yung mga emote.
Wow.
Wow.
Ang ganda niya.
Kahit saan yung camera, tumitingin talaga siya. Wow. Wow. Perfect. Ganda.
Pak.
Ang galing niyang maglaro sa music at saka sa outfit niya. Oh, wow. Ganyan. Queen! Galing mo, Samantha Bernardo!
Wow.
Oh, hi guys! Subscribe to Mac Jude's channel. Please subscribe to Mac Jude's channel.
Subscribe to Mac Jude channel. Subscribe to Mac Jude's channel.
Guys, please subscribe to Mac Jude channel. Yan, subscribe kayo guys. Nantay ko na lang.
Hello guys, please subscribe to Mac Jude's channel.